All right, welcome to this video walkthrough. First floor, 2-bedroom, Brookline, brand new, renovated, hardwood floors throughout. All right, laundry in unit. That's the central air unit right there. Let's start off with the bathroom. All right, got a standing shower right there. Toilet, sink, vanity. We have a nice little tub over here. Let's see, frosted windows there. Okay, back out. Closet space. Back into the foyer and into this massive living room with a closet in the corner. So, as I said, first floor. It's overlooking the courtyard. All right. Central air. One of the bedrooms, okay. Not this is the closet, obviously, but over here is the first bedroom that we're looking at. Closet. That's the side of the building. Back out into the foyer, past the laundry, into the second bedroom. This is just a little nook right there. Maybe put like a shelf, some plants. All right, good sized bedroom. Nice thing is that these bedrooms are evenly sized, so you don't have to fight over who's getting the bigger bedroom. Okay, so second bedroom, and then into the kitchen, which looks amazing, brand new. Everything stainless steel, granite countertops, open range gas stove, built-in microwave, cabinets up top, down below. You have a fridge there in the corner. All right, and a nice little touch right here with the balcony. All right, that's Beacon Street right over there. Not too far from Coolidge Corner. All right, well, that concludes our video walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed it. Reach out to Angel from Leopold McMaster's Realty if you have any questions. Have a good one.